Hi, let's speak about working from home, how to stay productive and motivated. Make sure that you start your working days simultaneously with your team, with a short stand-up meeting to track progress. Share plans and sync up on the results you anticipate achieving by the end of the day. Agree to have lunch at the same time. Try Zoom or Skype lunch sessions. Dress up like you were to go to the office. Pajama slacks won't set you up for work. Don't hesitate to use your camera in team meetings. Team spirit inevitably suffers because of the lack of eye-to-eye contact. Use the phone rather than email or messaging. You will be surprised by how quickly small issues can be resolved. Create group chats to exchange in real time for tasks, projects, and divisions. Online conferences are a great format for collaboration. Task and time tracking systems are even more indispensable, so pick one that helps you maintain self-discipline. The home environment is full of distracting factors, such as cats lying on keyboards. Agree on your Do Not Disturb mode with your housemates. Finally, do not work in a kitchen. You will likely end up drinking coffee and grabbing snacks constantly. Home working can be a great experience. Stay productive and motivated when working from home.